Join me as I take on the challenge of planning the most stress-free vacation ever using my top 10 tips. Let's see if I can really make it happen. In this video, you'll discover 10 essential tips for traveling stress-free, ensuring your next vacation is smooth and enjoyable. Many travelers face challenges like last-minute packing, itinerary confusion, and unexpected delays, which can ruin the holiday experience. We've all been there, scrambling to pack our bags at the last minute, only to realize we've forgotten something essential. Or, we've arrived at our destination, only to find out that our hotel reservation has been lost in the system. The stress of traveling can be overwhelming, especially when things don't go as planned. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of exploring new places, but if we don't take the time to plan and prepare, we can end up feeling anxious and frustrated instead of relaxed and refreshed. From lost luggage to flight cancellations, there are many things that can go wrong when we travel. In fact, a survey found that traveling can be more stressful than going to the dentist or moving to a new house. But it doesn't have to be that way. With a little bit of planning and preparation, you can reduce your stress levels and make the most of your vacation time. We'll explore each of the 10 tips in detail, covering topics like organization, packing strategies, and time management to help you prepare for a hassle-free trip. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools you need to take the stress out of traveling.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough
To wrap up, we've highlighted the importance of preparation and shared practical tips that can significantly reduce travel stress. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, share your own travel stress busters in the comments, and check out our other travel content for more great advice. Are you ready to take the stress out of your next vacation? In this video, Traveling Stress-Free 10 Tips for a Smooth Vacation, we share essential strategies and practical advice to ensure your travels are enjoyable and hassle-free. From planning your itinerary to packing smartly, our expert tips will help you easily navigate common travel challenges. Discover how to manage your time effectively, keep your travel documents organized, and maintain a positive mindset while on the road. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, these valuable insights will empower you to embrace the journey and make the most of your vacation. Don't let stress ruin your getaway. Watch now and confidently plan your next adventure. If you find these tips helpful, please like and subscribe for more travel advice and inspiration.